So this is an avatar creation application that I'm making in JavaScript right now. It's a good example of what I can do. So here we go. Is your character an animal or an object? I'm going to leave this unchecked. Here you see it randomizes the color of the skin initially, and then you can pick a color whatever you want. So I'm going to pick blue, I guess. And then I'm going to go forward. Here's some eyes, and I'm going to pick these. Then the next step is to change the eye color. So I'm just going to make them red. Now, what if I wanted to change something and go back? I can do that. So right here I have these eyes, and maybe I want these instead. I'm going to go next. Now this is achieved by keeping a variable in the past of the original character before it was changed in the next steps. It will also change no matter how many times you go back and next. It will keep recording it because that in each step it records what it was before that step. I'm going to make these aqua. Next step. There's a bunch of mouths and beards here. I put the mouths and beards in the same category. Basically, the mouths and the beards, yeah, I got them for free from a pack of mouths and beards. But I actually created this one, this mouth right here. So I'm gonna add this one. And by the way, this color feature, it allows you to pick a color. It's a color picker that I found online. It's no use reinventing the wheel, but I made this entire SVG. So I have this whole shape here. I used drawsvg.org to create this human shape with all the features, and I made these lips too. So next, there's the hair. It's also from the same kit, but I also modified some of the hairs so that it can flow behind the shoulders and not just in front of them. So for example, I have this hair. It cuts off right here, but then you can see that when you click on it, it also goes behind the shoulders. And after that, clicking next, you can see there is a hair color option, but you can go back, say, oh, I have to fix that. Okay. So I have this, there we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and make that one again. So this goes right there like that. And now I'm going to change the hair color to orange. Now I'm going to change the hair streak color. There's actually a different class name for the hair streaks because they're originally, when I color the hair, it's coloring both the hair and the hair streaks. They're different SVG shapes, paths actually. So I'm going to change this to red. Then you can see them. They're different, it's a different class than the actual rest of the hair. You can change underwear color. No, that's not really important. And then, by the way, this number was a test. It's for me to figure out how big, how long, the length of the actual inner HTML of the relative container, which is the container that contains the avatar. So basically, this is for me to figure out, okay, do I need a regular text field in the MySQL database, or do I need MySQL, however they pronounce it. And so basically the limit on a text field in the MySQL database is actually 65,535, I think. So this is much lower than that, but it could get bigger as I start to add clothing. So that's my demo, and I wanted to show you that. And I'm stopping now.